Guys, I'm starting to be social after a couple years, but I ordered this little pack in it. So let's put it out. And no, it wasn't from Temu. Hold on. Okay, I ordered like these little molds in it because I'm gonna make some glass candy for this little girl in Olivia. It's a young little girl, right? She got cancer. She got cancer on her brain that was attached to her spine. Guess what? They got like 95% of it gone already. So yeah, she's a survivor. So I'm gonna make some glass candy for her. And look, I even got the popsicle sticks. Look, the little ribbons and bags. No roadman talk. No baggies. Bags for the milk. To be continued. Gonna make some glass candy. Okay, let's go make some glass candy for baby Olivia and her classmates and for the corner shop. I'm not gonna make this one for my corner shops because it's small molds in it. I got a pot. We need a pot. Got some sugar. Got some more sugar. Yeah, I started to look into my cookery book in my university book today. So yeah, that's about it. To be continued. Okay. That should be enough. 3/4 cups, isn't it? Now, shall we put our heating on full blast for a while? Shall we? Now, use that for me. To be continued, guys. Glass candy. See, I'm messing up already. I forgot to put my vinegar in it. So, teaspoon of vinegar. And dash that into that. Good as golden, isn't it? Well, it's coming along. It's cooking up. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter. It's optional as well. Why my butter's got all this toast spread? How am I supposed to make glass candy if it's got fucking bread in it? Oh my gosh. Hold on. Okay, I had to get some more butter because I'm Remember guys, don't stir. To be continued. I got about what, just under 3 more minutes. It's bubbling up. Obviously you don't stir everything wrong, but it caramelizes. You don't want to have it on too high when you're first doing glass candy because then the sugar's gonna go it's gonna burn. So you just want it slowly but surely get translucent. As you see, it's bubbling up. And then I'm gonna add some colors. I have yellow and green. I was gonna make purple glass candy, right? But I forgot yellow and green don't make purple. I think red and blue or something makes purple. Let me know, guys. Okay, as you see, I put on high flame and it's bubbled up. So now let's go add some food coloring. You know what I think I'm gonna have the problem with, because I know I did not get this off of Temu, but you see the little things, because I normally use cupcake things, but look at this stick, right? And I put it in, but look, don't you think it's gonna leak through? I think it's gonna leak through. Let me wash this out again, put it in the dishwasher. No, I'll just wash it with some hot water. But yeah, so I'm gonna do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Yeah, so that's gonna be that. Now I'm gonna add some food coloring, just a little bit. Oh gosh, that was what color is that? Green, and then I add a little bit of yellow, and then mix it around. Whatever color it's gonna come out, it's gonna come out. That doesn't look appealing. That looks like diarrhea color. but yeah, let's go let that cool down a little bit and then try to find something to put it into the molds. Look, sorry, I had to go to the shop. So the sugar is burnt. So, I'm gonna keep my tutorial up, right? But I'm gonna dash this in the rubbish. This is trash. Look, the sugar's burnt. Fucking hell, man. Okay, I had to start all over because I'm too busy. I'm babbling about. So let's pull it off now. Because I'm not trying to go back down to Tesco buy no more sugar. Let it cool down. Okay, this time I think we'll just use red. That's about it. Yeah. Red for the win. Now let's turn this down real quick. Let it go down. There's just some red in it. Hey, that look like some Moby or sorrel. I got a white girl back here with me. Like I said, trying to help me out. Okay, let's go let that drizzle out. Put the sticks in, put it in the fridge, and then go back. See, well, from last night I put my my glass candy for baby little girl Olivia in there. Like I said, she's done good. She's like 8 years old, right? And she's got cancer to her brain, so they got basically like 95% of it. So it's like I'm just making up some of these for her, and then she could take to school or whatnot. Like I like to do nice things like that. I like, but do these for her so she give to her classmates and all that. There, some nice Bermuda glass candy. If you're Bermudian, you know about it. But like I said, it's stuff like that. My honey got beehives. My beehives got gifted to me from my next door neighbor. Oh God, he passed away now, so he handed over me his allotment. But you know, I pay like £65 for the year for the allotment, and then he gave me the beehives as a gift. So I'm gonna teach his grandchild how to do the bees, because you know beekeeping is a vital part of humanity, to be honest. But yeah, there you have it. Voila. Yeah, I got about 5 of my glass cans left. Oh gosh, and all of that left. Look, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of that glass can. I'm gonna probably break it all up and eat it when I watch my movie nights in order to stop bouncing off the walls. But yeah, it's my glass candy. I do honey, got beehives. I do Jack sauce, Jack marinades, Jack season rubs, dry rubs, esclaviche sauce. Esclaviche vegetables. Well, I do so many things, but for different people. But that's just like I don't capitalize on it, although I make money off of it. But it's just something I like to do, innit? Yep. Well, there you have it. Bring me the glass candy made for my next door neighbor, for Rebecca's niece. I call white girl backs for her niece Olivia. Yeah, man. Some people don't get a good break in life. Like I don't understand. Like, you know, girl's only 8 years old, man. She got cancer to her brain, which is attached to her brain and her spine. But like I said, they got most of it out. But things like that makes me appreciate life. You know what I mean? Because my mom told me I wouldn't live to see past 20, 21, man. And that was decades ago. So just little things like this I like to do. But yeah, guys, enjoy your weekend.